Hi, my name is Manuel. I'm currently studying in Youth and Adult Correctional Intervention at UNSIG College. I've been in this program for 2 years now, and I love it. This program teaches us a lot about communication skills, sociology, psychology, criminology, and how to intervene with a criminalized customer base. A problem that will occur to everyone after their studies is to find a job. So to help you with this problem, I will present you the website of Emploi Québec that you can find if you do a Google search. So you just have to write Emploi Québec in the search bar and then press enter on your keyboard. It will lead you to this page. So you can click on the link of Emploi Québec. You can also get to this website by writing emploiquebec.gov.uc.ca on the research bar. So here, I don't know why when you click on English, the English link, it is limiting the option and the navigation menu. So you can simply translate the page with Google and then click. If you clicked on the setting menu, you can just translate it. So you have a lot of navigation menu or a lot of link that can bring you to other pages, but what's the most important is in this little box. So you can click here to select a specific region you would like to work in. So I choose Montreal, and then you just enter a keyword that is linked to the job you're looking for. So I put intervention. Then you press on the look for menu button. After that, it's bringing you to Emploi Québec page where it show every job that I offer per neighborhood. So I choose to work in UNSIG. So then it is still in French. I'm going to translate it again. Then you can see that it's not really accurate for the research. But I find something I would like to. So now you click to this link and it's bringing you to the offer directly. So here you can see the offer display, uh, everything about the location of the workplace, the main function of the workplace, and every requirement you will need to have to be able to apply for this job, and the other way to communicate with the person that is responsible of the hiring at that place. So you can go back on the list of offer or make another research with other keywords. So I hope this helps you to get a job you would like to have, and I wish you good luck.